Friend, welcome to the General Knowledge class of Standard 8th.
The topic that I am going to take today is alphabet sharp, with the objective of learning the tricks with alphabets. Now coming back to your book, topic alphabet sharp. Alphabet is a set of standard letters which are combined to write all the words of a language. The letters of an alphabet typically have names and a fixed order. Only a few languages such as Chinese and Japanese do not use alphabet. Let us sharpen our brains using the English alphabet by solving the following questions. The first question that we need to solve is, if the English alphabet is written in reverse order, which letter will be written on the left side of N? Now let us see, first of all, in this reverse ABC chart, where is the letter N? Here we have letter N. Now its left side means this side. So to the left side we have the letter O. So our answer is O lies to the left side of N when we reverse the order of A till Z. Now our second question is, if 5 vowels are omitted from the English alphabets, which should be the 11th letter from the beginning? Now let us solve it. How many total letters we are left with after omitting the vowels? Let us see which would be the 11th letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So children, we have come to know that our 11th letter would be the letter N. So now our third question is, which letter lies in the middle of A and M? Now for solving this question, once again back to our alphabets A till Z. Now our question was, which alphabet lies between A till in the middle of A and M? So let us see. First of all, for this purpose, let us count how many alphabets are there from A till M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let us see now which would be the in the middle of alphabets A and M. For this we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 6, 7th letter will be the center alphabet of your between your A and M, and that answer is obviously G. So with this we are able to solve our third quiz. Now coming to our fourth question, if A's numerical value is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and so on, what is the total value of alphabet A till Z? For this,
let us start a numerical. If A's numeric value is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4 and so on, Y is 25, Z is 26. So adding all this 26 alphabets, our answer is 351.
Now our next fifth question is, if we omit every alternate letter from the English alphabet, which will be the 13th letter? Now let us see which would be a 13th letter after omitting each alternative letter from letters A till Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So yes, finally our 13th alphabet after omitting every alternative letter, the answer is Y. Now our sixth question is, which letter lies in the middle of C and O? For this, let us once again go to our chart of A till Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So 7 number is I. So I will be in the center of C and alphabet O, because if we see before I we have from C till I we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, and after I again we have 6 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how we got our answer, that I lies between or in the middle of alphabets C and O. Now our next question, number 7, is which is the third letter to the left of L? For C, which is the third letter on the left of L. Let us go back. 1, 2, 3. So yes, the third letter to the left of L is letter I. So our answer is I. Now our 8th question is, omit every third letter of the English alphabet. Find out the 7th letter from the beginning. The alphabets which are left after omitting every third alphabet are A, B, D, E, G, H, J, K, M, N, P, Q, S, T, V, W, Y and Z. Let us see which would be our 7th letter from the beginning. A1, B2, D3, E4, G5, H6, so J7. So our 7th letter from the beginning would be letter J. So our answer would be letter J. Now our 9th question is, which letter lies in the middle of C and Q? So if you see that before J till C we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and after J we have again 7 alphabets, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the letter that lies between or the middle of C and Q is J. Now our 10th question is, a child who does not recognize the alphabet properly thinks that Z is A, Y is B and so on. Which letter is N according to the child? According to him, if Z is A, Y is B, X is C, W is D, V is E, U is F, T is G, S is H, R is I, Q is J, P is K, O is L, N is M. So M is N for him. Now children, our 11th question is, if you delete 7 letters from A onwards and A letters from Z backwards, which is the middle letter of the rest of the letters? Let us count rest of the letters left after deleting 7 letters from A onwards and 8 letters from Z backwards. 1A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are total left with 9 alphabets. Now let us see which is the middle letter of these rest of the letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4 comes to the M. Now if we see this side of M, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the answer would be letter M. Now coming to our 12th question, which is the 7th letter to the left of Z and the third of the right of P? For solving this question, let us see first the 7th letter to the left of the Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 7th letter is letter S from Z if we go left to the alphabet Z. Now next in this C, let us see the 3 letters to the right of P.
That is, we will count forward 1, 2, 3. So the third letter to the right of P is also the letter S. So finally, the letter which lies to the third of the right of P and to the seventh letter to the left of Z is S. Now children, I hope that through this video you have learnt about the various alphabet sharp questions related to it. Now I hope that you would be able to solve the quiz questions given on your chapter in your book. Thank you and have a nice